Hey there, Titans. In this video, we'll troubleshoot the Titan package for Salesforce, mainly around permission issues. Okay, so we'll start off from DocGen. So the first thing you want to make sure is obviously that you're connected to Salesforce integrations, Salesforce connection, that the org is matching, that the org you're checking right now, or that you're having issues with. And the next thing you want to make sure that your API access is on. It's off currently on my end. And you want to make sure you hit apply on the settings. So once you've done that, you want to go back and check. After we've done that, let's say if we're talking about document generation, I'm using the FT_DocGen button. We open it and we do not see some of the documents that we're expecting to see here. So what we want to make sure is, again, there's another layer of security within Titan. You want to head over to My Account, Users, and make sure you've added a collaborator for that user. So you want to make sure that the user that's trying to access it is here, either through a profile or a permission set or a direct user, and you want to make sure that user has access to that document that is trying to view. Another thing that can come up, and again, this is a Salesforce permission, whenever your user still cannot see it, you want to make sure, especially if some users can see and some users cannot see, particularly with sysadmins and normal users, you probably have installed a package for admin users only. You want to go ahead and search for permission sets and obviously make sure you have the latest Titan package installed. And you have a permission set called Titan User that comes with the package, and that will enable you to assign it to a user, and any user that you assign it to will have the full permissions to use the Titan package. So you just go ahead and assignments to any user you like to be able to use the package. There is also a community user access. You can assign that to community users as well. And if you need to make any modifications, you can always clone that permission set and add or remove any permissions necessary. But in general, that permission set include everything that comes within the Titan package. Now let's talk a little bit about the Titan wizard. So however you open it, I have a custom button here that opens the full wizard, or if you're using the standard wizard button. And again, some users can or some users cannot see it. You want to follow all the steps we followed up till here. And using the wizard requires another permission from within Titan. And again, we're at My Account, Users, Collaborators, and then you will see Forms, Sign, and Application Access. So you want to grant application access for that collaborator to be able to use the Sign wizard or the Titan Docs add-on in Microsoft Word. All right, same goes for LWC. So we have an LWC here, and again, that could vary if you embedded your LWC within a community or within Salesforce itself. And again, you see different users can see the wizard, some users cannot see the wizard. The best way to tackle this is just to go ahead and assign a permission set, either the Titan user permission or the Titan user community permission set to these users, and that will solve the problem. And this is how it's done.